Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Motorola Edge 70 Pro Wi-Fi not working. So first scroll from the top and open the Wi-Fi settings. Then disable and enable Wi-Fi again. Click the gear next to your network, then disconnect and forget. Disable and enable once again. I'll just lower the brightness a little. Now try to connect with your network. If you still have any issues, then try to restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.